Hey guys, today we are checking out stateroom 10,000 on the Disney Dream. So come check it out. Now, I'm a travel agent specializing in Disney vacations, so if you are interested in booking your Disney vacation with me, make sure to contact me. I offer up to $1,000 in onboard credit, and my services are completely free. As I mentioned, today we are checking out room 10,000. That is in the very forward of the ship with a deluxe stateroom with veranda. So, as Disney has, they have split bathrooms. This is the toilet area with a sink. And then we have over here, sink combo.
Very nice.
And then over here we have lots of storage. There is a ton. There's a safe in here. You got just lots of stuff. And then right here we have our queen size bed. I'm telling you guys, this is like the comfiest bed you're ever gonna sleep in. It's the best. Now, this stateroom is connecting to
10,002. Yep.
Yeah, it ends in 2. So this is a very connecting room. The one weird thing about this one though, is the veranda does not connect. So let's check out the veranda. In the stateroom too, it does sleep 4, has an upper and a lower berth. This turns into a little bed.
We're just not using it.
And here is the veranda. Now, my son did bring his service dog, so we have a little patch of grass here. Obviously, you wouldn't have that if you don't have a service dog, but this will show you how large it is. It is quite large. Now, in a lot of connecting staterooms, this partition will like come out in the stateroom.
It'll fold so that you can have one large one.
Yeah, but this one does not. It is a white wall, so even though they connect, they do not share the patio.
That's right. Other thing that's kind of cool about this one, on top of your view of the ocean, you actually have a view of the captain's area right there. Kind of neat.
We have seen the captain working. It's pretty cool. We haven't noticed a lot of movement except for on the day when we were kind of just starting to go out to sea. But that's pretty common. You're going to get that on any ship.
And the whole boat was feeling that way. It didn't seem specific to our room when we were in the dining and different places. It was a rocky night. In general, though, if you are looking for something with a little less motion, I would recommend lower floor in the middle. But sometimes you can't get those. You know, sometimes they'll be booked up, or you need a certain cabin connecting to another family. This is a good option. We haven't noticed a lot of noise or movement. Just one more thing to note too about the stateroom is it does have kind of like a bump out ceiling above the veranda. So it will be hard to see the fireworks on those nights. So if you're planning on, you know, hanging out in your stateroom to view the fireworks, this wouldn't be a good room for that. But it is kind of nice because if there's wind or rain, it does shield you a lot. So I want to thank you for taking the time to watch. Again, if you are interested in a Disney vacation, I offer up to $1,000 in onboard credit when you book your cruise with me. That is awesome, hey? A lot of money.
It's free to book with me. If you've already booked and you've booked within the last 30 days, you can actually transfer your booking to me and I can help assist you and you will still get that onboard credit.
So if you are interested in working with Jamie, again, she's like free concierge that comes alongside you, helps you plan the most magical Disney vacation possible. And as she said, you get just free onboard credit to spend on yourself, on your excursions, on just fun trinkets you find on board. Easiest way to contact her is by email. You can message her at jamiethomasshow@gmail.com or by the website www.clickthemouse.ca/JamieQuote.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Bye.
Bye.